Got ourselves a garage sale find. I think this is called a fence tool. I probably should have Googled this before I looked it up, but I'm pretty sure it's used for helping to do barbed wire fences because I've used one before to do barbed wire fences. Again, I'm not sure if that is the proper tool for that. However, when I saw it at the garage sale, I couldn't resist. It is like everything I want in a tool. It's got a hammer face to it on either side for probably driving in those fencing nails. It's got a nice, good grip. The only problem is it's a little loosey-goosey, which is fine, and it's a little bit rusty, like any good tool should be. But I say we clean her up and give her a nice new life on the homestead. Status update. I'm just taking a little break. It's hard work pressing up into that wire brush. I've got some other brushes I might end up trying, but I always seem to have the best luck with the kind of cut brush. But you can definitely see that it's coming nice and clean in some spots. This spot right here is pretty nice. I got it a little better over here. It's always the dilemma of, you know, do you want to go all the way down to the barest of bare metals because you know it's just gonna patina over again, but for now it's looking pretty good. We got a lot of the heavy rust off and a lot of the surface rust is what's left. These little detail areas are going to be really tough to get to. Might take the Dremel out, fix it up, might not, we'll see, but I'd really like to get it so that I can read it. This says and Bushelli Manufacturing Co. That's cool. Couldn't see that before. And this kind of looked like it had an emblem on it, but now that I'm looking at it, it's probably just how they pinned it in there. But yeah, it's a really cool tool. I'm liking it. The top looks pretty nice as well. It's coming along real nice. I'm gonna call it there. I could do a mirror polish on this, but if I got it that nice, I would probably never use it for its intended purpose. I got it to a level that I like, that I want it, you know, restored, functional is what I would call it. Happy with how it looks. I just coated it in Ballistol. There she is right there. That way it's got a nice oil coating. I did 2 coats of Ballistol on it. It's still a little bit wet in some areas, that's fine. But yeah, happy with that. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the tool wall.